Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Snapchat use your less data. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Snapchat application. Once you open Snapchat, then you need to click on your profile at the left top. Then you need to click on settings at the top right corner. Then you need to scroll down and in the option of who can you will find the last option data saver. Click on that option. So you need to simply click on that option and then you need to click on until turned off. So you can see that it reduces Snapchat mobile data usage. You will need to manually load content like lenses and snaps and they may take longer to view. So by following these steps you can easily save your data on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.